Welcome back guys, Carry here. So the next topic is in data menu is filter views, which is very important, right? If we apply format filters into our data, what happened if we clear the filter automatically that our selection has been destroyed, right? For example, we want to save that searches. How can we do that? Let's see. We can create a filter views, right? Let's create and see what are the filter views. For example, I just want to go into data and I click into the filter views. Create new filter views and you will see a black screen here, and I just want to give a name as filter. For example, here I want to create a filters which sales value are greater than 15,000. So let's name it more than 5k, sorry, 15k, 15,000, right? Press enter. So name is saved. What I will do here, I will do a filter based on filter by condition. I will select greater than, then I will put the value 15,000. Clear? Then I will press OK button. Clear? So my one filter is ready now. For example, I want to create now another filter. I will again go into data and then create new filter again. I will click on create new filter new. Just give it a name less than 15k, right? So I want to create a filter now where my values are less than 15,000, right? So again I will go here and filter by condition, then I will select the condition that is less than 15,000. I will go down and press OK button, and you guys see now we have these options available, right? So how can I now use my views? I will go into data, filter views. Now I have options here, right? For example, I will click on none. I have now my entire information. I will go into data, then I have less than 15k. I have now information which is less than 15k, right? Then I have an option data filter views more than 50k. So you guys can see here how can I create filter view. So my that searches has been saved, right? I do not need to create filters again and again. So this is a very beautiful option we have in our Google Sheet. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any query question, just comment into the comment box. If you do not understand anything, please share this video to your friends, right? And please do subscribe our channel. Thanks very much for your time. Have a very good day.